Hi everybody and welcome back and happy fall. Today we're going to start with a fall decoration. So my mother-in-law gave me this vase and I thought it was really cool. I was going to refinish the finish on it, but then when I saw how it looked in my living room, I decided to leave it as it is. It had, I did this video once and the microphone was messed up and so it didn't have any sound, so it had this inside it and I pulled it out and I'm saving this for another time. I don't know when yet, but I usually always do use them, the extra little flowers. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to leave all this greenery in here though, and we're going to build it from there. I want it to look nice and fall-y. Okay, so I already pulled all the tags off everything because, like I said, I did the video once and there was something wrong with the microphone, so it didn't work. So this time it should be good. Okay, so I'm going to just set this here for now. My light is kind of in the way, so I'm not sure how that's going to work. Okay, so these are little wheat, they're called, and they're from Dollar Tree. And I bought a bunch of them. I think there's five of them. And then I also bought these orange flowers. It looks like this one came off it. And they were $1 each also. Everything's from Dollar Tree. So there's that one, and here's where the flower came off. I'm going to go ahead and stick it on. Okay, and then I also bought these. I'm not sure what these were called. I can't remember. They're also $1 each. And I have 4 of them. And then these are mums, and they have a pumpkin on them. And so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. Okay, and I think the thing is missing off of this one. I don't know. Here it is. So if your stuff pops off it, you can just stick it right back on. Okay, so what we're going to do is just build, this one's going to be a quick video. We're just going to build a little flower arrangement. I'll go ahead and set it on the chair so you can see what I'm doing. And I usually just go ahead and I start with one of the taller things. So I'm going to go ahead and start with these wheat. And I'm going to go ahead and just set them in here. So we have, I think I said 5 of them. So we're just going to kind of put them around on different sides is all. You're going to spread them out. And you can spread them out this way too. They came really bunched together like that, and I just spread them out. So we'll go ahead and put that in there. And I'm going to build the back nicely too because I want it to look pretty, because I'm going to probably put this one in the window. So we have our front window. We have a nice tall table there, and I think it would look nice there. I think I'm going to wait on these now, and I'm going to go on to these yellow ones. Now these are real messy, but once you have them in there, you're not going to be touching them anymore, and it's just going to be sitting in one spot. It won't be messy in your living room or wherever you put it. I'm just going to spread them out. I'm just placing them in different sides so that it's kind of spread out. This one can go here. And I'm spreading them out this way also. And that one can go there. So as you can see, it looks pretty uniform, and it does also in the back too, because people might be able to see it from the window. Now, I would put your prettier side inside where you can see it close up, because through the window you don't see it real clear anyway. You just know that there's flowers there. So, okay. So now I think I'm going to go ahead and put some of these white ones in here. Now these have a pumpkin and a little pine cone on them. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and stick these in here. And once again, I try to put the taller side in the back, towards the back, because of course then the shorter ones will show up front. Okay, and then if you have an ugly side, like see on this pumpkin, you want to just make sure that's in the back so you don't see it. And when you put it in, you just kind of spread everything out and just move it around so that all the colors are showing. You try not to really hide anything. It's not a big deal if one or two things kind of get hidden in there when you're putting a lot of stuff in there, but you try not to if you can help it. So remember the bigger side in the back. So this big tall flower and this are the taller. So that would be in toward the middle of the arrangement. I'm going to set it here. And if you don't like how you put it in the first time, just pull it out and do it again. You'll see it's not a big deal. As you do them, you'll get used to it. Alrighty. One right in here. Okay, so that looks good so far. So then I also have these. They're orange geraniums, and they were also $1 from Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead. Now these you can really pull apart and move them around so that you see orange in all different parts. So we're going to kind of try to stick them in this spot back here. And then all you do is take the different parts and spread them around. The taller ones you want towards the back, and then the shorter ones get pulled kind of forward. Don't be afraid to bend them around a little bit. You can always bend them back or turn them a different way if you don't like how they turn out. Okay, so here we go. Go back this way. So I really am just trying to kind of spread them out a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and grab another one and do the same thing on the other side. So we're spreading them out. We're putting the taller ones toward the middle. And then as we push them down, we're going to just try to spread some of them out. And tip them different ways. Okay, and then I have one more of the orange ones. I'm going to go ahead and put it in this other back corner here. I think it looks pretty good up front. Okay. Tones back. Okay, so I thought I would add some more of these to the top and make it a little taller. So like this. You know, maybe we'll add a white one first. Let's try that. So see, you can always start over. Stick it in. If you don't like it, take it out. Try something else until you do like it. So I'm going to go ahead and put one on this side, I think. pumpkin? Oh, I don't know where he went. Oh, did you see my pumpkin? No. Okay, well, I guess we don't really need that many pumpkins. Okay, so then this one I'm going to go ahead and take and put it on this side. I'm sure I'll find my pumpkin later. I'm going to put the tall white one up there. Spread this on. I really like it with the grasses in here. That is really cool. I'm glad that she gave it to me with the grass in it. It's really kind of neat. Okay. All right, so we sort of need a little more orange up front. So I'm going to try to pull this one through here. Stand this one out back here. Okay, so now I want to see if maybe it would look pretty if I put this in here and made it a little taller. And it can kind of just sit up there. So then I'm going to walk around and see if it looks good on all sides. Trying to decide if I want another one. I think I'll go ahead and stick this one in here. Yeah, I think I like it. And that's all there is to it. And that's your little fall decoration. And I was going to paint this and decided not to because I really like the color. And it looks so good for fall. So I really love it. I hope you guys like it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please subscribe and tell your friends about me. And always, as always, please go to YouTube, comment, and like. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.